All right, time to talk gadgets with Mike Agerbo. And if you didn't notice it, we've got a giant fan here for you. And this is from Dyson, kind of part of their signature look of fans where it's bladeless.
This is super cool. It's the Pure Cool fan system. So not only does it blow some cool air, but it's also an air purifier as well.
Oh, okay.
So it removes like 99.97% of the pollutants in the air. So everything from bacteria, mold, auto exhaust, everything you can.
Got a great shot of you right there.
You can imagine here.
It's almost like you're getting.
Is that better?
Yeah, perfect.
Hello.
It's
from
like
the other side.
It's like you're getting a perm.
This thing is all kinds of awesome. So the air purifier is fantastic on this. The little LED display will actually tell you what kind of pollutants are in the air in your home.
Oh, really?
Yeah. You can also control it with an app, so you can see how well it's doing over time as well.
And you have the handy remote control as well.
I do, yes. So I can either use the app or I can use the included remote control. So it's a very versatile fan, and it's a Dyson, so you know it's fantastic quality
and
as well.
it is a cool fan, but it's not exactly an air conditioner.
No, it's not. It's a fan, a bladeless fan. So it's basically circulating whatever air or temperature of air that you have in your room. But I mean, you know, as long as you got airflow, that helps dramatically.
For sure. And you might need it right now. It is warm this week.
Oh, so. Yes. Yeah, I'm going to be putting this in my living room after this segment here. So I'm pretty excited
Cool
about
down
that.
afterwards,
Yeah, so
right?
fantastic fan. I've had a chance to try this out. It's amazing.
And if you're looking to cool down with some tunes, well, then you have just the item for us here.
Yes, this is, believe it or not, this is from IKEA. It's called the Eneby, and it's kind of a modular Bluetooth speaker, so you can get it with the handle. They also sell stands for it. They also sell batteries if you want to be truly portable with it, too, that you can put in on the bottom here, and also a stand that you can purchase separately. And I actually had to put this together with a little Allen key.
I didn't know that IKEA had electronics.
I know, surprising, but they're getting more and more into that. You know, especially with all the wireless devices we have now. You know, I've got an iPhone 10. A lot of the Android phones you can do wireless charging. They're actually coming out with a line of furniture that has wireless charging pads built into their like desktops and things like that.
Interesting. And how's the sound quality on this?
It's fantastic. Let's just punch up a quick song here.
Okay.
It's not bad. It's not bad. So,
and what's the price on that?
This one goes for about $100.
$100, okay.
But it's just the versatility. You can take it on the go with you with a handle. You can get a stand for it for your home.
Boom box.
It even comes with hooks that you can actually have this on your wall as well.
Oh, cool.
Which is kind of neat.
All right, and you can maybe take this outside into your garden, where you might be doing some gardening, and that segues into this next item that we have here.
Yeah, so Orbit, they've been making sprinkler timers for many years now. So they have this, it's the B-hyve Smart Wi-Fi Sprinkler Timer System. So if you've got an in-ground irrigation system, this might be something that you'd want to have a look at, because you can control everything through the timer right on the unit itself or the app. That you can download for free as well.
How would you know if it might be compatible with the system you already have?
Yeah, just you go online to their website and check it out,
okay.
Essentially. But the cool thing is that you know, now you can control everything from your smartphone. It's also got built-in weather as well, so if it's going to rain tomorrow, for example, it knows not to.
It'll automatically shut off?
It will, yeah. Which is kind of a cool thing, and especially now that we have you know, the water restrictions, especially here in the Greater Vancouver area. This is a fantastic tool, because now you can program it to go off exactly when you're allowed to do the watering.
And that's it's so smart, you know. Especially, there's nothing worse than seeing sprinklers on when it's raining. It breaks my heart.
It's a waste. Yeah.
It does.
It's a waste. So, I mean, this is cool. Not everyone has an in-ground irrigation system. They also make little Wi-Fi controlled doohickeys for like regular faucets as well. So if you've just got a hose and a sprinkler system, you can Wi-Fi that too, which is kind of a cool feature as well. So they've got a whole great range of different types of sprinkler timers. So whether you have the high-end irrigation system, this is a 12-station one. They also have a 6-station model. Or if you just got the one tap there outside with the hose going to the sprinkler, they've got something to hook up there as well. And again, Orbit, this is the B-hyve.
Very cool. Thank you so much, Mike. We're all ready for summer now with these gadgets.